Do you remember when we talked about adjectives? We said the adjectives are describing words. They come to before the noun to describe the noun. They come to describe the color, the shape, the size, or how something, stop Mirali please, or how something smells or tastes or feels. Okay? Like, let's read some examples. Miral, please stop drinking and concentrate. Like red car here, we describe the color. Soft, soft blanket. Blanket. It tells us how it feels. If we say big elephant, it describes the size. The small ant, it describes the size. If we say, for example, what else? If we want to describe a flower, we will say beautiful smell. For example, it has a beautiful smell. Okay, all of those here, they are adjectives. Red, soft, big, small, beautiful, wonderful. All of those are adjectives. Today we're going to talk about other kind of adjectives. There are other adjectives. We will talk about articles, a and an, there are adjectives, and this and that. We will use this to talk about something close to us, and we will use that to talk about something very far. Abdullah, Omar, Eileen, Hisham. If you didn't turn on your cams, I will put absent for you. Omar, Eileen, Hisham, turn on your cams. Do you want me to put absent here? Grade 1. If anyone didn't turn on his cam, I will put absent for him. Let's see, Abdullah, I can see him, so I will put present. Omar, present. Khalid, present. Shaif, absent. Miral, present. Hisham, present. Elian, present. Juri, present. Habiba, she cannot turn on her cam, but I'm not sure if she's here or not. I will check again. Ratil, present. Lina, present. Clara, present. Asil, present. Fattali, present. Yusuf Mazen present, Lina present. Let me check the rest. I think they're absent. Okay, oh, Habiba's here. I didn't hear your voice, Habiba. Maybe you get in very late. Habiba. Okay, present. If you turn off your cam, I will put absent for you. So let's complete. I think you took it in grade 1. We use a and an before the noun. Which kind of nouns? The countable nouns, okay? Like here, the singular countable nouns, like cat, dog, apple, orange. But how do we know which one should we use? Should we use a or an? You should know that. We will use an. Stop moving, Eileen, please. Before the words that start with a vowel letter. What are the vowel letters? What are the vowel letters, grade 1? I will unmute you to tell me what are the vowels. What are the vowels, grade 1?
A, I, U, O, U,
A, E, U, here I, and
U, I, and
oh, wonderful. And oh, this one is oh, so the vowels are A, E, I, and U. So if the word starts with any vowel letter, we're going to put an before the word. Mute your mics again by yourselves, mute them. If the word starts with any consonant, with any other letter, we're going to put a before it, like a cat.
Teacher, you said I thought it.
Okay.
You said I think we took it in grade 1, not KG1.
Maybe. Okay, please mute your mics. Look at here.
I want to tell you something.
I think you will not stop talking if I didn't mute you, right? Okay, I will mute you. So here we have cat. C is a consonant, so we will use A before it. Dog. Dog starts with the letter D. D is a consonant letter, so we will put a dog. Here we have apple and orange. Okay, for the word apple, the word apple starts with A. The A is a vowel, so we will write an apple. Orange, it starts with O, and O is a vowel, so we will say an orange. Let's take more examples. A or an, which one do you use? Let's look at owl. Here, the word owl, it starts with O, right? And it has a vowel sound in the beginning. So we will use an owl, not a owl. Why? We cannot put A before the vowel. So an owl, not a owl. So the following word begin with a vowel. You will use an. Let's see here. A monkey or an monkey. We will look at the first letter here. It's monkey. So what will we put, A or an before the monkey? M is a consonant, so we will put A because it starts with, or it begins with, a consonant letter, so we'll put a monkey, not an monkey. It will be wrong, an monkey, because M is a consonant, not a vowel. Let's look at here. I see a cat or an cat. How will we know? We will look at the first letter of the word. It's C. So this word begins with a consonant letter, so we will put a, not an. Okay? Here we have A and N. You should know you will use the A before the consonants and N before the vowels. An apple, an elephant, an ice cream, an orange, an umbrella here, a lamp, a door, a house, a bag, a tomato. Here, all of those letters are consonant. We will put A before them. And all of those letters, or these letters, are vowels, so we will put N before them. Now one by one, but quickly. Now you will be able to unmute your mics, but don't unmute them until you hear your name. Okay? Eileen. Eileen?
Yes.
Car, A or N?
What?
Car, a car or an car? Quickly.
And car.
And car? The first letter is C.
Yes, and oh, a car.
A car, excellent. Battal. Battal. Lina, please concentrate. Lina, look at the screen. Stop playing. Battal.
Yes.
Airplane. Aeroplane. A or N? Quickly, Battal. Hisham. Aeroplane. A or N?
Yes, miss.
Aeroplane. A or N?
A and M.
No. Lina. Aeroplane. A or N?
A.
The first letter is A.
Yes.
And the A is a vowel. So what will we put, A or N, before the vowel?
An.
An. Okay, Omar Muhammad, parrot. The first letter is P, A or N? Quickly, the P is consonant. A parrot, excellent. Khalid, baby. A baby or an baby?
A baby.
A baby, because the B is consonant. Eileen, she answered. Okay, who's here? There's someone without a name and I cannot see him. Abdullah. Quiet, mute your mics. Abdullah. Doll. A or an? No, the first letter is D. It's a consonant, so Lara, hat, A or N?
Yeah.
Hat, A or N? No, the H is a consonant, so a hat. Yes, Judy, egg, A or N? And because the A is a vowel, أصيل. Rabbit, A or N, أصيل?
Miss, I not answer.
أصيل, rabbit, A or N? The R is a consonant, so yes, Habiba. Habiba, apple, A or N, Habiba, apple.
An egg.
Did I say yes? Apple. And apple. Elephant, أصيل, elephant. A or N?
N.
No, it starts with E and the E is a vowel. And
Elephant.
elephant. Excellent. Lena, cat, A or N?
A.
A, because the C is a vowel. Miral,
Because
sorry,
it's
is a consonant, yes. Miral, ice cream. Miral, ice cream. Ghina, ice cream. And ice cream because the I is a vowel. Mouse, consonant, a mouse. Snake, consonant, a snake. Armature and armature. Mute your mic. I tell you to answer, Miral, but you didn't answer. Ladybug, A or N?
Miratin.
Okay. Wait, Ratil. You're gonna answer later. Okay, Ratil, answer. Ladybug, A or N?
What?
Ladybug. The L is a consonant, so we will put a ladybug. Okay, thank you. Now mute your mics again and listen to me. Now we will take this and that. If something is beside us, if there is a girl here close to us, we will say this is a girl. If there is a heart here beside us, we will say this is a heart. If there is a circle here, this is a circle. If there is a pencil here, this is a pencil. Okay, we'll say this is a pencil. If there is a bicycle here, this should be a bicycle. Okay, I cannot draw it very well. We'll say this is a bicycle. But if the girl is there, far away, if she's there, we will say that is a girl because she's very far. If there is a circle there, that is a circle. If there is a bag there, we will say there is a bag because it's very far. If there is a teapot there, we will say that is a teapot. Or if there is a cat there, we will say that is a cat. So if there is something close to us, we will use this. If there is something very far or far away, we will say that. What's that? That is a cloud because the cloud is far. So look at here. If the boy is near to us or close to us, we will say this is a boy. This is a boy. If the girl is very far or far away, we will say that is a girl. We will not say this, no, we will say that. The bus is beside us. Okay, we'll say this is a bus. But the chair far away, we will say that is a chair. The car is close to us, so we will see this is a car. What about the tree? The tree is far away. We will say that is a tree. Let's take one more example. This is an apple because it's beside us. This is an apple. If it's far away, we will say that is an apple. If the cat beside us, we will say this is a cat. But if it's far away, we will say that is a cat. Okay? Look at here. You don't have this part or this point in your book, but I want to explain it to you. If we have more than one thing beside us, we will say these. So we will use this and that for the singular. Okay, this and that if we have one thing beside us or far away. If we have something or more than one thing beside us, we will say these. These are cupcake. If they are far away, we will use those. Those are cupcake. Okay, you don't have this point about the plural in your lesson, but I want you to know it. Okay, now one by one, let's see who didn't answer. Sharif, he's here. I thought you are absent. Sharif, unmute your mic. Look at here. If something is beside us, we will say this. If something is far away, we will say that. Look at the bike. This is a bike or that is a bike?
That is a
Look, it's close to us. This or that? Unmute your mic, unmute it. Yes, Sharif, this or that? Unmute your mic. Yes, excellent. And we will start with a capital letter. Welcome, Amna. Amna, unmute your mic, Amna. You get in very late. Hello, Amna.
Yes.
Yes, Amna. Look at the ball. The ball is far away. So will we say this is a ball or that is a ball?
That is a ball.
Excellent, wonderful. That because it is far away. Thank you, Omar. Omar, look at the train. This is a train or that is a train? This, excellent, because it's close to us. This is a train. Thank you, Omar. Now, here, let's see. I didn't answer. All of you answered, so we will start again, okay? The teal. A car, this or that.
What?
Look at the car. This is a car or that is a car. Number 4.
This is
Excellent.
the car.
Thank you, Ratil. Lina? Lina? Okay. Yusuf?
Yes.
Look at the plane. This or that.